Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gerline and I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mothers just like me. So today, you guys, I decided that I wanted to do a realistic morning routine just to kind of show you guys what I go through on a day-to-day basis. So on this particular morning, as you guys saw, that I woke up at 4:30 and I started my day really early today because I prepare lunch for my kids and I did not have anything prepared. So I had to boil beans, I was boiling my chicken, I had to do all of that. So that's why I went ahead and got that on the stove first thing this morning. And then I decided to clean up the kitchen because I did not clean up anything the night before. So I made sure that I had the stuff on the stove cooking and then I was cleaning up the kitchen. And then you'll see later on where I was tidying up the family room as well. Once I got done with everything, then that's when I went ahead and started my morning routine. So if you currently follow a morning routine, let me know in the comments. And also, let me know, what do you do during your morning routines? Are you reading? Are you journaling? Are you just outlining your plan for the day? Listening to music? Exercising? Just let me know. I would really like to know. I also wanted to mention that, this is how, my life really is. There are days where I can get everything done off of my to-do list. I'm able to clean up the kitchen, clean up the whole house, and just get things the way I really want to. But then there's other nights where I'm going to bed late. I didn't get a chance to get everything done, and that's basically what happened in this particular video. As you guys see, I didn't have time to tidy up the house like I wanted to, and I'm like, you know what? I'll just go to bed, get my rest, and wake up really early and get the things done like I really want to. Because one of the things that is challenging is that when my kids are up, sometimes if I'm cleaning up, they're still making a mess. So sometimes I like for them to go to bed, and then that gives me the time to go ahead and get everything done the way I really want to. So let me know in the comments if you're the type to make sure that everything is spick and span before you go to bed, or it is what it is and you'll take care of it the next day, or you're 50-50. Let me know in the comments because I would really like to know, because there are some days where my OCD kicks in and I'm like, nope, I'm not going to sleep until everything gets done. And then there's some nights I'm just like, you know what, it's been a long day, it's time for me to get some rest. There's always going to be something to do in your home, okay? Whether it's vacuuming, sweeping the floor, mopping, dusting, there's always going to be something for you to do in your home. So there are times where I'm just like, okay, you know what? It is what it is. All right. So, yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys do, if you're the OCD type, or if you're just like, you know what, I'll take care of it the next day. Let me know in the comments. I would like to also let you know the benefits of having a morning routine. So morning routines are very good for you to do because it sets your mind up to be successful, to be productive, just to get yourself together mentally before you actually start your day. Now on this particular day, I flip-flopped a little bit just because I had to cook and everything. But normally what I would do is I would wake up, I would brew me a cup of tea, and then I would get my journal out, my daily planner. I'll get the book that I'm reading. I'll just get all that stuff together and I'll just sit down and journal. Then I would have music playing in the background, worshiping and stuff like that. So that's how my morning normally starts. But like I said in the beginning, that this is just my real life. There are some days where everything go as planned, and then there are other days where you're just like, you know what, let me just try to do the best that I can. So at this point, I am done cleaning everything like that, and so the beans are still boiling on the stove, and as well as the chicken. And I think I put the chicken to the side at this point because I was going to fry it a little bit later. So I'm making my tea, and now I'm actually going to start my morning routine with my journal, with my music, and all of that. So you'll see exactly what I do. And now it's about 5:30 at this point. So I've been going on for about almost an hour now. I've been up at this point. And so going back to what I was saying about the morning routine, so just having that time to get yourself mentally prepared is very good. It's very helpful to you, because if you wake up and you're just on 10 and trying to rush, it really doesn't help at all because your mind is going 10,000 miles an hour. You're trying to figure out what you're going to do and things like that. So, having something in place to get your mind set and ready for the day is going to lead you to the right path of success. One of the things that I really like to write in my journal is my prayers. It's really good to just kind of express gratitude, just to give thanks to God for everything that He's done in your life, just to kind of reflect. So, having your journal to do that is very great as well. And it always give you a chance to read back some of your previous prayers and see just how good God has been in your life. Just to see the process, the growth is amazing as well. So let me know what you like to write in your journal. What are your top 3 things that you like to write in your journal? For me, it would be my prayers. I like to write my goals. And I also like to write just ideas that come up in my mind. Any type of business ideas, I like to use my journal to write those things in as well. Okay, so now that I'm done with my journaling, now I'm going to now transition over to my daily planner. Now I'm just going to write down different things that I need to make sure that I take care of today. And one of the other things that I also do is grab my affirmations deck. So I have the 31 days of affirmations, and this is the deck right here. So I'm going to flip through it just to see which one that I'm drawn to. And depending on my mood, depending on my feelings, one may stick out a little bit more. And that's going to be the affirmation that I write in my daily planner. I also wanted to take the time to mention that I did not have a chance to do any morning workout or cardio or anything like that. That is because I took that time for cooking. So you kind of can give yourself some flexibility with your morning routines. Like, depending on what's going on, depending on the day of the week, you might have to flip flop and move some things around, and that's totally fine, okay? As long as you are comfortable, as long as you're hitting the maybe top 2 or 3 things that you want to do. And by this point, you guys, my kids are up, and my alarm is about to go off. It is now 6 a.m. Now it's time to get the kids ready for school and pack lunches and all that fun stuff, okay? So before I do that, I am reading my verse of the day, and I'm also reading my Bible plan. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. This is just a quick clip of some of the things that I had prepared that morning. And if you would like to join the 21-day morning routine challenge, go ahead and click on the link below and check it out on my website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all be blessed.